This is MJ, scared of the remote control truck, but we put chicken in it. Go get it, MJ.
Find it. Go. Find it.
Oh, she's thinking about it. But it looks dangerous. That thing is freaking scary.
Find it, MJ.
Go get it, MJ. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go, find it.
Say find it, MJ. Find it.
Oh, is she brave enough? I should rev her up right now. No, that would just break her spirit. Go ahead, MJ. Here, okay. Make it easy for you. We'll put it on that. We're gonna put it on the hood, on the roof there. There you go. Whoa!
Yay! Okay, don't get us stomach ache. Any more, MJ?
So what do you think, MJ? Not so scary? Go, find it. There's more. There's more. Yeah. There's more in there. It's underneath, I swear. I left it in the glove box. Swear to God. Go get it. Go get it. There's more. Find it. Find it. Oh, yeah. Bamboozled.
Yeah.